I'm Alan Herzog, used truck training guy for International. Today we're going to take a look at the outside of the LT Series cab. Let's get started. The LT delivers far more than improved fuel economy. New standard LED headlights deliver best-in-class brightness, 40% brighter than the ProStar, with a nice long, wide, and even light pattern. Prefer halogens? You can get those too. Improved optics deliver a better light pattern, using separate filaments for daytime running lights and nighttime low beam. Effectively doubles bulb life over ProStar in slip seat operations. Tool-free bulb replacement ensures easy service. Rigid mounting in the hood deliver a vibration-free light pattern, reducing driver fatigue at night. The new LED and halogen fog lights are polycarbonate lenses for robustness against stone chips. Polycarbonate also remains clear over time. The isolated mounting design reduces vibration, extending halogen filament life. LT fog lights are also mounted close to the middle of the vehicle. When the corner of a truck is involved in a collision, fog lights mounted in the middle of the vehicle are far less likely to require replacement, reducing repair costs and time. Even the all-new grille is cleverly designed. To simply remove the 4 hidden bolts along the top of the grille. And the shape of the grille is also designed to ensure consistent, high-quality chrome adhesion and appearance. Need to replace the bug screen? That is equally easy to service thanks to the fasteners into the back side of the vertical bars in the grille. Looking lower, you'll see the all-new 3-piece bumper. This composite design does not require steel bracing behind it, reducing weight, eliminating corrosion, and increasing foot space for the mechanics to service the engine compartment. Even the texture of the bumper has been improved. Its smoother surface finish improves the appearance of the painted bumpers. And to further improve paint quality, we ensure the new bumper was designed without any small styling details that could impact the paint appearance. Optional hood mirrors. Passenger side only or both sides come in black and bright finishes and offer tool-free lens replacement. And if you want to retrofit them, the hood includes dimples inside showing where to drill the holes. I'm Alan Herzog, used truck training guy for International.